Hey you guys, and welcome back to another new hair with Kenzie video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Join the gang. You're gonna love it here, I promise. So today we are here with none other than the one and only Cozy. Y'all already know that's the only person touching my head, period. So we are going to be getting an install today. Super excited. This will be a honey blonde lace front human hair wig. The color is number 27. It is a 13x4 body wave, 180% density, 22-inch wig. Yes, this wig was purchased from Amazon. This is not sponsored at all. The name of the store is Loyom, and I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. I will list the link in the description box down below in case you are interested in purchasing this wig for yourself. And I'll also put their Instagram name as well in case you want to go look at anyone else, you know, who has the hair in real life. But yeah, y'all, just stay tuned, sit back and relax and enjoy this install. You gotta stay tuned for the tea so you can hear from a real stylist, you know, what the wig is giving. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in.
To go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimbler though. I'm the one who run the city where they armed and vicious. Accusations on them blogs and they all fictitious. I done bent the realest blocks, pushed the hardest sixes. Keep a couple killers that don't care how far them licks is. Look, just act like they want action. Heard they want action, bitch, we ain't ducking no action. I'm about to get them that traction, send a distraction. Then I'ma line them like fraction. Break, I let them live, look at all them eating. But these bitches gon' be mad once I call this meeting. Make a stick get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be subtle. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like them niggas in the hot dog. I put these bitches on game, they should be kissing my feet. I tried to give them some press, they tried to say it was beef. It's Nicki M, such a little gem. Bitches wanna be around me, but I do not fuck with them. All these diamonds on me, fuck it. I hope nobody gets stuck. If I pull out the Ferrari, then my shooters in the truck. I can still go to my hood.
Plucking it was really easy actually. For a blonde wig, like it was very easy to pluck it. Because usually these blonde wigs
They be thick.
They be like thick at the front.
Yeah.
But this was really easy. The hair is really soft.
Okay.
Shedding.
And it's not nothing in a bad
Any
way,
sense?
but I just feel like
Sense?
Yeah. You know how that? Okay.
Yeah, this didn't have no sense.
Okay. How was the knots?
The knots are fine. You know, with blonde hair, you gotta like
Really do it anyway.
Yeah, so many red signs, red flags.
Okay, good.
$2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimbler though. It's like COVID when the goat is on the track, the whole game stop. But I ain't playing with these bitches, this ain't game stop. If Barbie in the building, then she with a GameStop. He ain't gon' hesitate if I tell him to change some. Just put the beauty parlor in my guest house. You mean the pink Lamborghini, that's at the next house. Fuck him so good, I got him walking with his chest out. I wish these bitches wanted more talent and less clout. Make it stick get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be subtle. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in the hot dog. I put these bitches on game, they should be kissing my feet. I tried to give them some press, they tried to say it was beef. Cause to go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimbler though. a dog, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Fuck they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a scene now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he
like, y'all see this? It's giving scalp piano. Like, this literally looks like my hair.
I know.
Okay.
the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got them ring. It ain't over it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
All right, y'all, so this is the wig. It's definitely giving tea.
Isn't it so cute?
Like, what? It's giving natural.
It's giving her hair.
It's giving scalp. It's giving this is mine. I grew this. So, true to length.
True to length, it curled well.
Curl well. What else?
It's not synthetic.
It's definitely not synthetic.
Because
it's definitely...
sometimes, like, when you, like, curl hair, it'll, like, start, like, sticking to the, like...
Curling iron?
Curling iron and stuff, and it didn't do that. So that's
okay.
good.
Definitely. I'm going to show y'all the length. Hold on. The length,
Really good length.
It definitely bumped.
There we go.
Link will be there if you're interested in getting this hair. This video is not sponsored at all. Amazon really ate with this one though. So tap in, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to another one of my new Hair with Kenzie videos. And make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bells so that you're notified every time I upload. Join the gang. You're gonna love it here, I promise. Until next time, bye guys.